So here is a look at another subsection of collectible pins and badges. This would be a worker, specifically a factory worker identification pin or badge. These would typically have the symbol or emblem of the subject factory on the obverse, along with perhaps a code for a division or manufacturing facility or a specific city location of that facility, and a number, and that number would be assigned to that specific worker in that specific factory. The story of German World War II factories, or World War II factories in general, is quite elaborate, and because of the scope of the conflict and the strong tie to the economic activity that went along with it, there is now have been resulting in thousands and thousands of pieces of collectible memorabilia from countries all around the world, from the factories that served directly, indirectly, served as the ring around the main manufacturers. In the case of German artifacts, like we see in so many other categories, the design is both creative, aesthetically pleasing, and quite artistic and appealing to the eye, and perhaps I'd go as far as to say it's much superior than the rest of the world's factory worker badges. So just in a glimpse at a grouping of them, and probably end up doing an episode on each. Hopefully you recognize a few of the logos here. This one is probably the most prominent, the Mercedes-Benz, Daimler-Benz DBM. But we'll get into all these later. Just a glimpse at the German World War II factory worker badges collection, zinc, typically painted badges, all together in one shot. Hope you liked it.